What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some Ricer Chronicles. No, I'm just kidding.
Some Ricer Chronicles?
Yeah. Today we're putting this this gay ass red. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. This red CTS-V calipers on this Chevy Super Slow. Will they fit? I don't know. Well, we gonna find out. We gonna find out if they fit today. Also, we got this big ass rotors. Won't put the front ones on because the rears are pretty much the same size anyway. So yeah, I mean,
see if it stops.
We'll see if it stops. If it doesn't stop, then oh well. You know, we got insurance. No. We got ball tires and who knows, maybe no brakes either. He doesn't even swing it though.
There's wires somewhere in there.
It's just the alignment. The alignment is bad, guys. Don't be thinking he swings it. No. Alright guys, let me put you guys on time lessons. Let's get started. All of them are on. All we gotta do now is literally gonna test fit some wheels on. We'll test fit the wheels he has on. Hopefully they clear these brembos. If not, then we're kind of screwed because gonna need some extended studs or some better wheels. Maybe some AAPs. Alright, let me test fit these and I'll get back to you. Okay, so it did fit one spacer. It actually cleared pretty nicely. So now what we're gonna do is bleed the brakes. So to bleed the brakes, pretty much press the brake a couple times. Open the valve, let it squirt out, literally. And then once you do it to every single one, so start from the furthest one, so the right rear first, and then left rear, then right front, then left front. And after that, you should be ready to go and test them out and see how hard they brake. But let's get to it. I'll put you guys on another time lapse. Trying to get this race bleeded, and then I'll show you guys the final product once we put all the wheels on. Alright, so we just finished. We just bled the brakes. But I know you can't really tell, but it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. I don't flash, have my light, but I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys later on down the line. But yeah, it's like barely clear, so that's with like a 5mm spacer. 5mm spacer, and then barely clears. You can tell. But it's like a perfect fit. Perfect fit all around. Looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. If we had a 2-piece rotor, it'd look even better. Yeah. Soon enough, this car is gonna be cammed, so stay tuned for that video. Subscribe if you guys want to see more SS videos. We're gonna do some long tube headers, a cam, probably a turbo, maybe later on down the line. But for now, voila. How's it feel?
It feels good. I gotta just my clutch feels a little soft.
Yeah?
But I don't know if I have to keep bleeding it or just keep pushing the clutch till it hardens up.
we didn't take the clutch line off though.
No, but they're the same. They're the same thing.
Gay. I just can't tell the brakes, but. Alright, he's about to go do a little test drive. And then he'll let us know what his final opinions are. Yeah, that's not pretty quick, not gonna lie. I know. Oh, rip. So I can tell the difference? Yeah. Big difference? Yeah?
That stop was...
Yeah, that shit. I thought you were gonna stop like up here.
No, I honestly thought you were hella more responsive too.
Yeah?
Like, how's the clutch feel? It hardened up. But yeah, that shit fucking...
9-day difference?
Yeah. Check the level again.
Hell yeah.
And no squeak.
No squeak. So you guys have it, guys. All I gotta do now is just check the fluid, top it off. Oh, we good.
Like that.
So if you guys do this, if your clutch feels soft, just go drive it.
Harden it out.
And then harden it out, and then we'll be back to normal. Back to normal. Oh. Fuck no. Alright. Next time you guys see this car, you're putting those on, putting that cam on. Like I said, here you guys everything. So don't sleep. Subscribe if you guys are new. Ready to see more SS content, some super slow content. I mean, he still can't keep up with my Subaru, but you know, he gonna try. He gonna try. So just stay tuned, guys.
All-wheel drive SS. Wait on it.
All-wheel drive SS. So just stay tuned for that, guys. And then that's pretty much it for this video. So subscribe, like this video if you guys liked it, and catch you in the next one. Peace out.